Now bring your mic over one time. We go bust some raps real quick. Now these guys don't know about the Hawaiian styles and the hip hop over here. Nah, no more on mic. Just bring one over. Shoots. I get one little verse on a bus. Nah, it goes something like this. Check it out, check it out. I'm an island boy, head rock, bodyboard, flip-flop, Ponyola, hard knock, white raised livestock, chocho lips, slip, hero chip, mama ship, hit some of this here, pocket low, pipeline posse, my aunts is called auntie, skanking when I'm dancing, the big kahuna's chanting, Manapua stakeout, mini truck takeouts, party on the beach to celebrate the weeks out, shoreline wahinis and bikinis and smoke bombs, tourists freaking out cause the shark just bit his arm, hey Howley, yes, no dial 911, I don't like the cops come on by, I gotta hide my gun. Here's a shocker for my Kanakas. I can't help the fact that I'm hopper and hot like Pele's lava. The red dirt devil, my canoe's next level. The throw net monster, tubby reef walker. Hanapa on the boat with 36 lobsters. My name's printed on top of all blind, I don't care. Feather headdress in my head like King Kamehameha. Yeah. So how you guys like my sampler? Massive, huh? The beats is pounding. Yeah, what's up, AI? Rest in peace. What's up, Junior Boy? What's up, Tomba? Quiet Boys. Bro, they don't even understand it.